Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Well, I'm back again for another video. Let me fix my chair. I'm back again for another video, y'all. I have some Happy Mail. It's a PR package from HippieCrafter.com. Okay, let me look at their website so I can tell y'all the correct information. They provide approachable supplies suited for beginners all the way to professionals. Okay, so they reached out to me and I picked something out from their website, and y'all, they have all kind of crafting supplies. Okay, I'm gonna put a link to their website in the description portion of this video. Okay, so y'all can go check them out. When I tell y'all they have all kind of craft supplies, they have all kind of craft supplies. They have like transfer tapes for transfer paper, transfer tape for like if you cut stuff with a Cricut, you can use transfer tape to transfer it onto a shirt or whatever your craft you're doing with that. They have mica powders, they have paint, they have macrame cotton, they have heat guns, they have epoxy, they have tie-dye stuff. They have double-sided woodworking tape, the 2-inch. They have vinyl sheets. They have watercolor brush pens, clay tool sets. They have wipes, paint art wipes. They have paint. They have polymer clay. Y'all, they have resin molds, heat transfer vinyls, canvas boards, markers, fabric markers, watercolor pencils, sketchbooks. The list goes on and on and on. They have just like an abundant supply of art stuff. Like, y'all have to go check them out. They're HippieCrafter.com. I will link everything. I will link this product in the description portion of this video. So they did send me, her name is Erin. Erin sent me a product. And I'm going to open it. I'm just going to cut it open because so, yeah. Y'all, it's a 72 premium colors colored pencil set. Y'all know, well, y'all may not know, but I like to color sometimes at night. I have the adult coloring books, you know, of different things, and I do like to color. So she sent me the 72 colored pencil set, and I really like that. I'm a sucker for colored pencils, you know, and coloring books. So I am going to open this and show you it. And this is what it contains. 72 highly pigmented colors, rich and velvety lead, blend beautifully, creamy texture, easy to work with, premium quality wood, tin case prevents tip breakage. And it gives you some tips and everything on the back. So I'm gonna open it and we're gonna see what it looks like. Y'all know the struggle is real for this. Oh. All right. I'm always on that struggle bus, y'all. Look at that. It's not new. Oh, wait. This is cute. I don't want to mess up this cute little cover. I just don't. Oh, y'all, look. Check it out. Hippie Crafter. Yeah, I think their logo, though, is so cute. And their colors on their website is so cute. So cute. Y'all. Okay, it comes with a little booklet. It comes with a booklet. And inside the booklet, It tells you professional grade art supplies designed for free-spirited crafters. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Yes. They give, they put, we're here for you, share your creations and all the information you need. And it tells you inside the pamphlet some of the items that they do have. This is not all of the items though, y'all. The items they have are so many. Y'all have to go check them out. Like I said, I will put the description, put it in the description portion of this video. And no, I do not edit my videos, y'all, because no, I'm not for bleeps and all that good stuff. I'm sorry. I'm country and it is what it is. And it says thank you on the back. Y'all, I love that. That's so that's cute, like it's original. And I just like that hippie craft. I like that. I really like that. I like that. So, okay. So let me pick this up. I try not for them not to fall out. I knew it. I knew that would happen, y'all. I knew it. Okay, well, there was that. Hold on. I'm gonna put these back that I do have that didn't fall off the table. I knew that was gonna happen. Okay, so I'm gonna have to show you like this because I don't want them falling out. My suggestion to y'all, it would be to put like maybe a clear piece of tape or something across it, some clear something. So when people like me are trying to show y'all product on YouTube, they won't fall out. I don't show my things with the camera facing down. I want everybody to see my face because I'm real and I'm me, you know. I'm down to earth. I'm a down to earth person. So y'all should just like me. I'm just saying. No, I'm kidding. So that would be my suggestion, hippie crafter. I mean, that's just my suggestion. Y'all don't have to do nothing I say, of course. What the hell I know. But here you go. These are some of the colors. Y'all, they're pretty. And look at those tips. They're rich colors. They look like they're very velvety. So I'm about to tell y'all if they're velvety or not. Okay, so they do have, let's see, they have another set underneath. So I'm gonna get those as well. Oh, and the colors are so pretty. Okay, let's see if I can do this without dropping them all. Look at those colors. I'm going to show y'all the bottom portions. Look at those colors, how pretty they are. Oh my gosh. Look at the tips of them. I know this is kind of hard for me to show y'all. But I will pick up one and show y'all. So y'all know my favorite color is pink. So look at these pinks. Look at those pinks, y'all. This is the color it is. It says it's light pink, but it says they're hippie crafter on each of the pencils, colored pencils. But this is their coloring. Y'all, I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna use it, color a page, try it out, and I'm gonna show y'all the color page that I colored. Because I do want to try them out, of course. But I bet you they're good. I could tell you they are. You could feel the tips of them, how well they're made. This is this color. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that. I hope y'all can. It's kind of hard with this camera because it doesn't focus like it's supposed to, but you know, I'm doing the best I can, y'all. Y'all, look at that. Those are pretty, pretty colors. Let's do a bright color. Let's do like a yellow. Look at that. It's kind of like a golden yellow. It's called autumn gold. Dang, I'm good. Because, you know, this is the gold of LSU's purple and gold color. I'm just saying. Y'all can't see it good. I wish y'all could see it like I see it, but it's so pretty. I love it. I love these colors. Thank you, Hippie Crafter, for sending me this item to review. I will try them out, and I will do a color page, and I'm gonna make another video of it showing y'all how pretty these colors are. Of course, I probably will not be able to use every single color in the color page, but y'all gonna get the idea of the colors when I color the page. So, with that said, thank you, Hippie Crafter, for sending me these items. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. Just hit the subscribe and like button, as this helps my channel. I really appreciate you, Hippie Crafters, for sending me this. And like I said, I'll put everything in the description portion of this video. Thank y'all for watching. Until next time, I love you guys. Thank y'all.